Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to download and install ATAK-Civ, or the civilian version of ATAK, onto your Android device. The first thing you're going to do is open up the Google Play Store, and you're going to search for ATAK, spelled A-T-A-K. Search, and this here is the app that you're looking for. Mine has already been installed. You guys should install it now. Keep in mind though that this ATAK Product Center is a user, and they offer a bunch of other ATAK plugins. And plugins are little programs you can download that will add additional features to ATAK. So these are all different plugins that I can put into ATAK. I might make videos for them at a later date, but right now I'm just going to focus on the basic app. So once you have ATAK-Civ installed, you're going to open it up. And the first time you open it, you're going to have to accept a bunch of agreements and give the app a variety of permissions. So I'm just going to burn through all that. Once you see this pop up, it says ATAK device setup, I recommend you go to call sign identity, and you can change your call sign. For this video series, I'm going to be Wiz. So if anybody else is networked with my phone and I appear as a blue dot, my blue dot will say Wiz under it. The color of my dot will be cayenne. It's the standard color. And for role, if you're a team member, it's just a dot. Colored dot. If you're team leader, your dot will say TL. If you're HQ, your dot will say HQ, etc. I'll just be a team member. Still just going through all this stuff. And yeah, once you blast through all that, you should have ATAK. You're going to have a globe of some capacity. Maybe it'll look a little bit different, but more or less the same thing. And in the next videos coming up, I'll go over how to actually navigate and use ATAK.